you explain to America what you're doing here, all your Patriot fans?
Let me tell you something, Tom Brady. You fucking did this to me, buddy. First game in 3 years, no touchdowns, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? God, this is where I'm at. You let a rookie quarterback do this to me, Patriots. You should be ashamed, not me. You should be ashamed. That's all I have to say. I got 5 more minutes. My arm's fucking killing me. You should have just made the bet to hold your hands over your head for an hour. That's fucking bad enough. Take a picture of you with him?
I think I should let him stay. No, they should make him leave? That's okay, I'm taking a movie.
What?
I'm taking a movie of it.
Oh, you're in him. I think you're in that. Well, I mean...
What did he say? What did he say?
He's gonna let it fly.
All right.
What was the bet?